Oh, God. Y'all. Oh, God. I don't know if I'm live or not. Sure. I think I am.
Could we use your house to trial?
Hey, y'all. Hey. Come on in here. Come on into the light. I told y'all I was going to come back. I told y'all I was coming back. I'm a woman of my word, honey. Y'all still holding on? Y'all good? Good afternoon, evening. What in the world? We're about to go out in the weather, honey. Because I don't have any snacks. I don't have nothing in here. Bay's on his way to pick me up. He's on his way to get me, y'all. The boys is gone. He's gone. The roads are bad. Oh, the roads are bad, y'all. It's coming down. Oh, I've been calling everybody. I have been checking on everybody. He is on his way to pick me up. Hey, y'all. What y'all doing? Hey, Jenny. Hey, Moni. Hey, Donna. Hey, Jill. Welcome back again, Jilly Bean. Hey, Rhonda, DW. Beverly. Search for more answers. I'm glad you finally called it live, too. Hey, Shari. Hey, Pat. Rhonda. Tanya G. Thank you for mod. Miss D. I am Shell. Welcome back, everybody. Hey, Cheryl. Miss McLean, Doll Baby, Rena, Pamela, and Sophia. Y'all look at the weather. Look at this. Look. Oh, it's coming, y'all. I say, babe, I ain't got no snacks in here. Oh, look, out here. He called and said, so many people are in the ditch. Look, let me get my stuff. Go out this way. Got my bag, y'all. I'm ready. I'm gonna give y'all my outfit. Don't mind our house. It's dirty. We ain't clean. Okay. Look out there. Oh, I thought that was Bay. It ain't him. That's not him. Okay, so the roads. Oh, he is out there. Bay is out there. Y'all, he is. Hold up. Bay. Oh, he is out there. Hold up, y'all. Let me put my, y'all was on here. I gotta put this down. So reading y'all stuff on this. Can y'all hear me? Lord, let me hold on. Oh. Make sure ain't nothing slick now. I ain't trying to bust my ass. You getting out? I say you getting out? Okay. Oh, y'all. Here ain't it?
Oh, the weather outside is frightening. And so delightful.
Child.
There you go. Let us go, let us go, let us go.
Oh. Child, it is an old lady entering the building, honey. Oh, y'all, hold up. Hold on. Sit right there.
Let me put it on the arm.